is just leaking everywhere. Something is not good. The joys of owning a classic car. Hello everyone. This is never the video I wanted to show you. As you just saw in the footage, that was taken yesterday afternoon. I'd actually come back from a photo shoot or a video shoot. Who would have thought I'd use those words? But anyhow, so I came back from the video shoot. Everything went well. Awesome, actually. You've already seen the video, but and as I'm arriving home, I noticed that the temperature gauge was just going through the roof, extremely hot. And I was getting obviously a little bit worried, didn't see anything going on too much, but I managed to park in my garage, and obviously by the time I had parked, there was steam and everything rising. I'd lost a lot of the fluid, coolant actually throughout the journey, as well as on my driveway. And when I'd opened up the bonnet, like, it was spraying everywhere. I can't for the life of me figure out where it's coming from, but it has to be seen to, obviously. So having said that, I always reach out to my go-to person. His name is PJ. Now, you're going to meet him. Now, this man is a genius, a mechanical genius. He has built cars from scratch. He's not a mechanic by trade. He just knows an awful lot about just about anything. You ask him a question, the man is a walking encyclopedia. Trust me. I'm hoping I could convince his son, Adam, to make a video about him and his cars and everything else. So you're going to get to see him. Hopefully you get to see Adam as well. And hopefully you get to see his car. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You're going to probably see it in the thumbnail. But anyhow, I'll tell you. It's a Pantera. Okay? Gorgeous machine. So you get to see that. But here's the thing. With an old car, you're always going to have problems. And I knew that when I got into this. So what I had started to do was I had put aside $10 a week. And that was my money towards my MG. I knew sooner or later it's going to cost me to get things fixed or get things repaired. And I knew I'm going to need the money when these things happen. So I've been collecting this money for a number of years now, and I've used some of it to fix it. It doesn't seem as painful then. I don't drink or smoke, so I save money that way. But I figure, you know what, it kind of softens the blow. So if there is any repairs that need to be done, I kind of take it out of that account, and it just makes it a little bit more palatable. Because yeah, it can be a little bit messy, a little bit challenging to get things fixed often, but what can I say? I love this car, and whatever it takes, I want to get it back up and running. I know when I take it to PJ, he is, if anybody can figure out what's causing the problem, how to make it purr like a kitten again, then he's the person who can do this. So anyhow, I am now just waiting for the tow truck to arrive. I'll push it out onto the street. Come along for the journey with me. We'll see the car go on its merry way to PJ's backyard garage. And what can I say? I'm not happy about this, but it is what it is, right? You have to make the most of it, and hopefully it's nothing too significant, nothing he can't fix, and we'll get this girl back up and running as quickly as we can. So enough chit chat for now. Come with me, and we'll see the car being towed, and we'll see you on the other side when we arrive at PJ's place. So come along. Oh, whoa.
Parking brake on? Or?
Handbrake, yeah. There you go. At least we know the handbrake works. So Dan, how long you been doing this?
About 6 years.
Good for you.
Yeah.
You always like cars?
Yeah.
You're a mechanic too?
I can tinker with it, like with my cars.
All right.
But
You want to tinker with this one day?
this one looks it's too old for me.
It's a little older than you are, yeah.
What year is this?
73.
Okay.
Okay, Ben, I gotta ask you, have you ever lost a car on the way?
Oh no. Never.
Okay, that's good. That's the right answer I was looking for.
Never.
Okay, we could not have timed this any better. What are the chances of seeing another MG on the road? A little greenish thing. Not as pretty as mine, I gotta admit, don't you think, Neil? And here's my little car on the tow truck. The chances are extremely rare. And there she is, being towed. Shall we take a look at the green MG while we're on it? Yeah. So as you can tell, I am not driving, my son is. And let's take a look at this one. Chrome bumpers and all. And he's driving on the highway. What's he thinking? All I picture is stone chips here. These look very similar. Different wheels. Honk to him. Okay, we are here. Alright everyone, this good looking guy standing up there, this is PJ, this is his son Adam, and the next thing I see is just liquid everywhere.
Okay, where's the thermostat housing? Because I suspect the thermostat giving up the
In
ghost.
here.
Well, maybe.
No, that is because I see the gasket there too.
Okay, do you know where I saw liquid? Certainly it was spraying everywhere, even on this.
Yes.
But there was also liquid here, here.
That's a thermostat. I
Right
bet you
there.
it's stuck closed.
That's.
But
Excuse me.
then where is the liquid escaping from?
Because it's closed. It's building a lot of pressure in here.
So
it's
it
trying
could
to
leak
find its-
anywhere. It could be any of the hoses.
Yeah, but if you saw it coming from here, most likely this is closed and it's causing
No,
it to
I didn't
come
see it coming through there. I just saw liquid here. No, it could have been dripped back, so I just
Oh,
can't be
here,
sure.
look, there, look. There, see?
Well, you asked me to check the oil stick.
I would say so. Yeah, oil's
look
clean,
clean,
that's
so
fine, yeah.
so it's not a head gasket. That's a good sign.
All right, that's what I was hoping.
No mulch. The color that I saw when you pulled the dipstick out,
That's clean.
you've got at least another year.
Okay.
I do a Pantera every 3 years.
Speaking of Pantera, great segue. Can we listen to the engine?
Oh sure.
Come on.
But